Hello everyone, welcome back to class. This is our third lecture of chapter 11. Chapter 11 is direct and inverse proportion. So, in last video, we have discussed 4 questions of 11.1 and examples. Today we are going to discuss from question number 5 to 10 of exercise 11.1. See, this was fourth question. In last video we discussed. Next question we are going to discuss. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeter. Figure is not there. What is the actual length of the bacteria if the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only? What would be its enlarged length? Let us tabulate this information. First of all, we will identify whether this is case of direct proportion or inverse proportion. If this is 50,000 times enlarged, then length is 5 centimeter. If this photograph of bacteria will be more enlarged, then its length will be more. And if it will be less, then its length will be less. So clearly this is case of direct proportion. Let us write enlarged length and there you will write actual length. Enlarged length is 50,000 times and then its actual length attains a length of 5 centimeter. When it is increased 50,000 times enlarged, then it attains a length of 5 centimeter. So what is actual length? You will find out actual length in this way. What will be actual length? This 5 centimeter by 50,000. Then it will be 1 upon 10 raised to power minus 4, or you can say 10 raised to power 1 upon 10 raised to power 4, 10 raised to power minus 4. This will be actual length of bacteria. If the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times, now this photograph is enlarged 20,000 times, what would be its enlarged length? What will be its enlarged length? This we have to find out. Say this is y. You can write this is enlarged length. And this is increased length. Now see, this is case of direct proportion. In direct proportion, x by y ratio is constant. So you will write this 50,000 by 5 and 20,000 by y. Using cross multiplication, we will find out value of y. These 40 to 40 will be cancelled, 5 to 5 cancelled, 1 left there. Using cross multiplication, y equals to 2 centimeter. What is enlarged length? When this is 20,000 times increased, then its enlarged length will be 2 centimeter. Next question is, in a model of a ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high, while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship is 20 meter, how long is the model ship? Now, let us tabulate this information first, and then from table it will be more clear whether it is direct or inverse. In a model ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high. One is model ship, 9 centimeter high, while the mast of actual ship is 12 meter. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, how long is the model ship? You will write model ship and their actual ship. Actual ship. What is mast of model ship? 9 centimeter and mast of actual ship is 12 meter and length of the ship is 28 meter. Then we should write this is model ship and this is actual ship. If its height is 9 centimeter, then its actual length we have to find out. Let us do this question again. In a model ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high, and while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, you will write length of mast and length of ship. There you will write length of ship. Length of ship. What is length of mast? It is 9 centimeter for model ship, and while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter. And if the length of ship is 28 meter, how long is the model ship? We need to find out length of this model ship. What will be? Consider this is X or Y. Now 9 centimeter, then corresponding, let me see, mast 9 centimeter while the mast of actual ship is 12. It's 9 centimeter and this is of actual ship. And if the length of the ship is 28 meter, its length is 28 centimeter, then what is the how long is the model ship? This we need to find out. Consider this is X. So this length is given to us for original ship, not for the model. So you can consider it is Y and it is 28 centimeter. Now see, this is case of direct proportion, means if this length of mast will be high, then this height of ship will be more. Similarly for their model ship, if it is small, then corresponding its length will be smaller. So 9 by Y equals to 12 by 28. Using cross multiplication, 12Y equals to 9 into 28. Y equals to 9 into 28 by 12. Cancel it. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Answer is 21 centimeter. What will be height of mast ship? 21 centimeter. Again see this question. Length of mast ship, length of mast, this is mast, and length of ship, this is length of ship. If it is smaller, then its length will be smaller, and if height of mast will be large, then length of ship will be large. So it is case of direct proportion. So you will write x1 by y1 is equals to y1 by x1 by y1 is equals to x2 by y2 ratio constant. That is 9 upon y equals to 12 up by 28. In this way you will get answer is 21 centimeter. Next is, suppose 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 raised to power 6 crystal. How many sugar crystals are there in? Draw table. You will write sugar in kg, and there you will write crystal of sugar. Crystals of sugar. Sugar is 2 kg, contains 9 into 10 raised to power 6 crystals. How many sugar crystals are there in 5 kg? This we have to find out. In next, in 1.2 kg of sugar, we need to find out these number of crystals in 5 kg and 1.2 kg. Sugar crystal meaning is granules of sugar. They are counting, and if more kg, suppose 2 kg is there, then in that 9 into 10 raised to power 6 crystals are there. If quantity is increasing, then crystals will also increase. Further from there to there, if quantity is decreasing, then number of crystals will decrease. This is case of direct proportion. This is case of direct proportion. You can write as quantity of sugar crystal will increase, then number of sugar crystal will increase. Okay, see, then if number of as number of quantity of sugar crystal will increase, then number of sugar crystal will also increase. That's why this is case of direct proportion. This is case of direct proportion. In direct proportion, we will write x1 by y1 ratio is equals to x2 by y2. That is, this ratio is constant. And if you will see, let the sugars are denoted by x and these crystals by y. Then you will write 2y 2 upon 9 into 10 raised to power 6 is equals to 5 upon, say this is y1. You can write this is y1, this is y2. Now solve for y using cross multiplication. It is 2y1 and it is 9 5s of 45 into 10 raised to power 6. y1 equals to 45 into 10 raised to power 6 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. y1 is 22.5 into 10 raised to power 6 crystals. y1 equals to 22.5 into 10 raised to power 6 crystals. Now further, if this is 2 by 9 into 10 raised to power 6. Sugar is 1.2 kg. Then number of crystals we have to find out. Sugar is 1.2 kg and we have to find out number of crystals. Say these are y2. Using cross multiplication, it will be twice of y2 equals to 1.2 into 9 into 10 raised to power 6. y2 equals to 12 into 9 into 10 raised to power 6 by 2 into 10. It will be 2 6 ja 12. y2 is equals to 6 9 ja 54 into 10 raised to power 5. Otherwise, in standard form, if you want to write, you can write 5.4 into 10 raised to power 6. These are the crystal when sugar is 1.2 kg. In 1.2 kg, number of sugar crystals are 5.4 into 10 raised to power 6. Next question. What is next question? Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. She drives on a road for 72 kilometer. What would be her distance covered in the map? We can consider map distance and actual distance. Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. Okay, this is map distance, and this is road distance. Let this map distance we are denoting with x, and this road distance we are denoting with y. 1 centimeter is representing 18 kilometer. She drives on road for 72 kilometer. What would be her distance covered in map? Let us consider x1 is the distance covered in map. Again, see this question. Two type of distances there. One distance is on map and other distance traveled on road. This let us consider x is denoting map distance and y is denoting road distance. Then 1 centimeter on map representing 18 kilometer. How many centimeter on map will represent 72 kilometer? As you will see, this distance will increase, then reading on map means distance on map will also increase, and as distance between two places will decrease, then corresponding distance on map will also decrease. So this is case of direct proportion. You will write x1 by x by y ratio is constant. X by y ratio is constant. So it will be 1 upon 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter by 18 kilometer equals to x1 by 72 kilometer. This kilometer to kilometer cancel. Using cross multiplication, we can solve 1 centimeter into 72 centimeter equals to 18 x1. 18 into x1. So x1 is 72 by 18 centimeter. 18 4 ja 72. x1 is equals to 4 centimeter. So what is distance on map? It is 4 centimeter. Next question. A 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole cast a shadow of 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Find at the same time the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 15 centimeter 50 centimeter high. Height of pole we have to find out, which cast a shadow of 5 meter long. Okay. What is this? Is vertical pole and its shadow. Height of pole and its shadow. Two columns we will write. Height of pole and length of shadow. Length of shadow. Let us denote this height of pole by x and this by y. Now write down what information. 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole. 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole cast a shadow of 3 meter 20 centimeter long. At the same time, the length of the shadow cast by another pole. Length of the shadow is 10 meter 50 centimeter high. The height of the pole which cast a shadow of 5 meter long. This we have to find out. Again see this part. At the same time, find the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter high. Find the, its mean, this is length of pole. Find at the same time the length of the shadow cast by another pole by 10 meter 50 centimeter high. We need to find out length of shadow. Okay, let us write, this is y1 and this is x1. So if height of pole will be large, then it will cast a shadow of length more, and if height of pole will be smaller or less, then it will cast a shadow of smaller length. So this is case of direct proportion. This is case of direct proportion. In direct proportion, we will write x1 by x2 is equals to y1 by x1 by y1, means x by y ratio is constant. This I am going to write. Now 5 meter 60 centimeter by 3 meter 20 centimeter equals to, this is 10 meter 50 centimeter by y1. Now simplify using cross multiplication. This is 5 meter 60 centimeter y1, or what we can write in decimal, we can write express these in decimal. It will be 5.60 meter into y1 equals to 10.5 centimeter into 3.20 meter. Y1 value is 10.50 centimeter into 3.20 meter. This is in meter. Meter, meter, meter. All are in meter now. Meter. By 5.60 meter. 1 meter to 1 meter cancel. Now we need to simplify. It is 10.50 by 5.60 into 3.20. 1 decimal to 1 decimal will be cancelled. It is 1050 into 320 by 560. For this, put under these 20 to 20 will be cancelled. Now multiply. 8 4 ja 32. 8 7 ja 56. This 0 as it is. Cancel with 2. 2 2 ja 4. 235. Cancel with 5. 5 7 ja 35. 5 2 ja 10. 5 1 ja 5. 7 1 ja 7. 7 3 ja 21. 3 2 ja 6. Answer is 6 meter. What is length of shadow? Length of shadow will be 6 meter. Next part is, you can write 5.6 meter upon 3.20 meter. 3.20 meter equals to x1 by 5 meter. x1 by 5 meter. Using cross multiplication, we have to find out this x1. 3.20 meter into x1 equals to 5.6 meter into 5 meter. x1 equals to 5.60 meter into 5 meter by 3.20 meter. This decimal to decimal will be cancelled, means for removing this we will put 100 in denominator, and for removing this 100 we will write decimal in numerator. Then numerator to denominator, these 100 to 100 will be cancelled. It will be 560 320 into 5. 10 to 10 will be cancelled. It is 8 4 ja 32. 8 7 ja 56. Cancel. 7 5 ja 35 by 4. 4 8 ja 32, then 4 5 ja 20. 8.5 meter is 8.5 meter is height of pole. Height of pole when length of shadow is 5 meter. See, next question, last question of this exercise. A loaded truck travels 14 kilometer in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? A loaded truck, a speed of truck is same, means if more distance this truck will travel, then it will take more time, and if less distance it will travel, then it will take less time. In 25 minutes this truck is traveling 14 kilometers, so in 5 hours it will travel more distance. So you will write there distance and time. 14 kilometer distance is traveled in 25 minutes, and in 5 hours how far it can go, how much distance it will travel, this we need to tell. As I told you, if time will increase, then more distance it will travel because speed is same. So this is case of direct proportion. Let this distance we are denoting with x, and this time we are denoting with the quantity y. So you can write this x1 distance this truck will travel in 5 hours. So you will write 14 kilometer by 25 minute x1 by 5 hours. Using cross multiplication, this 25, this is in minute, into x1 equals to 14 into 5 kilometer. This was in kilometer, this 5 hours. So what will be x1? Convert, you can convert this minute to hour or this hour to minute. You can write 14 into 5 into 60 minute. And from there x1 is equals to 25 minute. This to this cancel. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Multiply 12 and 14. x1 is 12 into 14. 14 4 ja 12 4 ja 48. For 12 1 ja 12 and 4 168 kilometer. Truck will travel 168 kilometer distance in 5 hours. So in this video, exercise 10.1 is completed. Tomorrow we will start next exercise. Thank you.